Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss top 5 ways to make money online. Before I proceed, please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the red button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 ways anybody can generate income online. One of the great things about the internet is that you can go into business for yourself from the comfort of your home. All you need is an internet connection and you can make money online. Diving into the online world will free you from the daily 9 to 5 grind of a desk job and afford you more time to travel, indulge in hobbies, and spend time with the family. Another plus is that there are so many different ways to make money online. To start, all you have to do is identify the profitable niche market appropriate for you. After that, there's no need to hire staff, rent space, or purchase expensive furniture unless you want to. Here are a mix of tried and true online ventures, as well as new businesses and niches. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. You may already know that affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online moneymakers out there. Here's how it works. As an internet entrepreneur, you'll need your own web presence. Website, blog, social media platforms, landing pages, sales pages, banner ads, or e-commerce site. But instead of selling your own products, you sell the products of other companies. You can use several of these combinations if you like, as long as you get your marketing message to the public. Then, pick a hot affiliate niche market, one with many potential customers. Look at social media to ID trends and see what's hot on sites like Amazon and CJ Affiliate, for example. Provide important content and marketing messages aimed at your prospects. When customers on your digital platform click on a link to make a purchase, they are taken to your affiliate partner's site to complete the transaction and you get a commission for every completed sale. The best part is you don't have to deal with shipping or customer service. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start an online business because all you have to do is promote the products. You don't have to worry about creating products, setting up payment and delivery systems, or handle customer support. You just simply drive the traffic and get them to click over to the companies you are promoting as an affiliate, and if a sales is made, you get a commission for referring that sale. Number 2, blogging. Old-fashioned blogging is alive and thriving. If you provide valuable content on a regular basis, you attract like-minded people interested in your niche information and products. Your readers are compelled to keep reading to find out more and buy. These people are primed to buy your products either via ads or affiliate links in your posts. Why? Because you've been providing useful free, targeted content and people have come to know and trust you. Also, you make your site online storefront attractive in the eyes of Google by regularly adding useful information in the form of articles, videos, etc. This results in higher rankings in Google's search engine, so, hopefully, you appear on page 1 because most people don't go to page 2 on Google. There are many ways you can monetize a blog and the traffic you get to it. You can promote products as an affiliate, promote your own products and services, and have ads on your blog as well. Another ways of making money online which I will be explaining in my next video are: Number 3, niches e-commerce. Number 4, selling ebook. Number 5, owning your own YouTube channel. This is the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, kindly like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss top 5 ways to make money online. Before I proceed,